Good morning, friends. So I am at DCA. It is like 6 in the morning and I literally am never late, but it's so early that I didn't even check my bag. Like, I checked my bag with 6 minutes to spare. I almost got caught up in TSA, but I made it here. I got my coffee and I'm ready for an adventure. So I go to Philly first and then I have like an hour layover. And then after that, I'm headed to Puerto Rico. So after a hustle through the airport, I am on my way. Wow! Look who made it! Home sweet home. Got a little dining area, a terrace, got a sitting area outside. Ooh. Cute. Kitchen. Bathroom and 2 beds. And another bathroom. So yeah. So we are here. We're all checked in. We got our Airbnb. We went and got something to eat, and now we're on the beach. It sounds so pretty. The sunset is absolutely stunning. Oh, look at that. So now we are gonna go to Placita La Santurce to go dancing and just listen to some music and see what's popping in the nightlife scene. Even though it's COVID right now, so we'll see. Good morning, friends. It is day 2 and I'm just out here on the terrace having some coffee, getting kind of a slow start to my morning, which is super rare when I travel. I usually travel like super fast and I'm in a rush, but it's nice just to enjoy some coffee. Today is a beautiful day. We are going to get brunch and go on a catamaran tour, so it should be a lot of fun. And Meg's just come back from her workout, so we're about to get ready and head out for the day, but I'm just really excited for another day here, another day interacting with the beautiful people who live here and admiring all the trees and the architecture and just having new experiences. So day 2, we're ready for you. Brunch was so good. Oh my gosh. Definitely way better than that restaurant we went to yesterday. Yep. Like by 1,000,000%. And it's so hot, but it's sunny and it's beautiful and just happy to be here. We are on our way to go try to find snorkeling gear because we're going on a catamaran tour and we're gonna get some pictures. I'm gonna flick her up, she gonna flick me up. Good morning, friends. It is day 3, and I wasn't able to make a video before we left the house because we're just trying to get here and get breakfast because we are going on a free walking tour of San Juan. That's right, free, because you know I'm always balling on a budget when I'm traveling. So we are in Plaza de Colon. It is a plaza honoring Christopher Columbus, the colonizer. A little bit of shade there, but whatever. So yeah, we're going on a free walking tour. We have a kayak tour tonight. We're gonna go to Las Americas, the mall, and just hang out all day and maybe go to the beach. So yeah. You guys, where has the day gone and where did the sun go? It is like 6:30 at night. We took our free walking tour of Old San Juan, which was absolutely stunning. There is so much rich history here, from the invasion of the Dutch to the Spaniards building the forts here to the gates in the city and military strategies to save the island and the different architectural details and why. There's just so much history here, which was so amazing to learn about. And honestly, like, it was one of my favorite things we did, just to learn about the culture and learn about the people and learn about the city itself. We are going on a kayak tour tonight. It's going to be dark outside, so I don't know if I can really do much video of it. But right now we're on Condado Beach, just waiting for our tour to start and kind of enjoying the heat, the sun, the sunset, and the beautiful beach. So really excited to get on a kayak and get out on the water tonight.
Are you ready? Are you really ready? Yes. For your birthday, man.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Day 4. We're going hiking and our Uber's here, so I can't even really do an introduction, but here we go.
No, don't worry. Just like a pencil, like a fucking pencil. Like a fucking pencil. Don't doubt it. Don't doubt it.
I'm gonna cry.
Don't cry. Just jump. Just jump. Just jump. No fear. YOLO! Jump.
You can do it, Meg.
Jump.
Jump. You can do it.
Jump.
You can do it.
2, 3.
All right, so we are still in El Yunque hiking, and we just went over to the natural rock slide and also to the cliff jump, which was freaking terrifying. Like, I thought I was gonna cry, but my tour guide said, don't cry, just jump. And so that's what I did. But I'm in the forest. We're going down to the rope swing next, so that should be a blast. But this is some real nature stuff out here, you guys. El Yunque is so beautiful. I feel fearless. I feel like a warrior, and just blessings, blessings.
Go ahead.
So, we had our hike, and then we went to do some souvenir shops, and then we went to Placita de Santurce, and I just think it sucks that like the curfew is not allowing us to like go salsa dancing. Because and we're also considering staying another night. We may change our flights and our accommodations, we'll see, but we'll probably just go home. We'll see. I would like to know.
Cats regularly scratch like that?
I don't know.
That's how dogs scratch.
Right. They just be scratching. Good morning. It is literally like 5:30 in the morning, and we're at the airport. There's nobody at this gate yet. We're the second ones here. There's like 2 other people here, and they're dead ass asleep. But, oh my gosh. It has been such a long night. I just want to be on this plane with my eyes closed. Like, I was so tired. But we're here, and we both had such a good time on this trip, and it's time to go home. I'm so sad. I will miss you, Puerto Rico. You have a special place in my heart, and I can't wait to come back.